Alright, so right now we're installing the door. I just finished installing the door jamb. So now the door is ready to go. Alright, let's do this one. Right there. So I'll put this way. Okay, so we're lining up the hinges. Right there. Okay. All right, so now it's working good. All right, so now let's install the door casing. Alright. Alright, so for now, let's put the handle. Yep. All right. Give it straight. Okay, it's good. Now we're gonna install the stopper. Alright, so we're now done with the door. Okay, so now this is the outcome of the door stopper we just installed. Alright, so most likely when I'm installing the door, the last part that I'm going to install is the door stopper, because it's the door will tell you like how far your door stopper is. So that's why what I did, I installed the door jamb first, right? And you can install the door casing right after, but the door first, and then after that the door stopper, so that way we can line it up like how far from where it's supposed to be, right? And same thing on this side. So I gave a little bit like about 1/16 gap, so that way the door is not going to end up rubbing the door stopper. Same thing on this side. So see, as you can see, right? So I give a little bit. I don't want to make it like really tight it like that. Yeah. I just give it slightly. Okay. All right. So, and then how do I line it up with this one? I gave at least 1/4 inside all around. Right. Same thing on the other side. It's about 1/4. 3/16. You can't really go 1/8 because what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up notching out this one if you go too close, right? So I go not in, sorry, 1/4 out. So same thing here, 1/4 out, not in. All right. And it's the same thing on this one. You see, it's a 1/4 because if you bring this casing like too close, then you're gonna end up, rubbing it from here, right? Because when you open this, see, it's gonna start rubbing it from the corner edge of the casing. So as you can see, there's like about maybe 332 gap. I don't think that's 1/8. That's about 332 probably. It's almost 1/8. All right. So that's our door for today.